Hi, this is Chad the Van Man with Sherry Vans in Piqua, Ohio. Today we're going to be having a look at a 2023 Ram ProMaster that has been upfitted by Sherrod down in Georgia into a 9-passenger luxury van. So let's have a look. See, this one is silver and has black wheels on it. All these are going to have fixed fiberglass running boards on both sides of the van. The nice thing about these ProMasters is they have a huge entry door here. This is 50 inches wide, 65 inches tall, and all the ProMasters are front wheel drive, so this would be a great van to put a wheelchair lift on. You could even do the underbody, the under vehicle one on there, because you don't have that drive shaft there taking up any space, so you can put the lift under there. These 4 captain's chairs are on quick release pedestals. You can pull this little lever here, pop the chair right out. Additionally, they will also turn around, so you can turn both of those, all 4 of the chairs around. And it also has the seat belt going right into the chair, so you're not going to get wrapped up in the seat belt. And all 4 of these also have the child safety tethers down in there, so you can put car seat in it. It is cold out here, so let's get inside. So all of the Sherrod vans have the pleated accordion shades, so you just pull that down wherever you want it. And then it has a fixed 32-inch TV in here. This one's a smart TV. So you've got Netflix, HBO, Prime on there, and then you can download whatever apps, like Disney or Hulu or whatnot. LED lights all around in here. You could change the colors too. Whatever color you like. That little button right there, well, it's not a button, but that's the sensor for the remote, so to change those colors you just need to hold that pretty close to that. Got power outlets here for gaming console, and then this HDMI port right there is wired right to the TV, so you could put a Blu-ray player or whatever, plug it into that, and it's going to go right onto the television. And then this is the heat and AC for the rear. Hear that? That's where you turn it up and down there. So when Sherrod converted this van, this would have been just an empty cargo van. They got a hold of it, built these sidewalls, the floor, added this right here, so this is all heat and air for the rear. They added all that to the van. It's very cool. Each one of these chairs has its own USB port with the voltage meter there, and then you've got a reading light for each seat as well. Bench here in the back that will seat 3 also will fold down into a little bed. Now it's just going to jackknife, so when this, it's just going to fold down flat, so not a huge bed, but kids could lay on it. And you've got a little bit of storage up here, not real deep. I know that's kind of dark for you to see, but I would guess it to be probably 6 or 7 inches deep, probably about 5-6 inches tall. And it's probably 2 foot, maybe 2.5 foot wide. Like I was saying earlier, with this being front wheel drive, so you've got no drive shaft going back to the rear axle, which is why the floor here behind the driver and passenger seat drops down 6 inches, and that's all added to the inside here. So I'm 6 foot, and interior height in here is 6'1". Plenty of room in here. Let's have a look on the outside. So all the windows here in the back are fixed. You can't open these, but they come from Ram dark. So see, that's a normal window. This is like a factory tint that's built into the window. Here on the back, this one does have the reverse sensors, also has a hitch here with 4-pin and 7-pin wiring, so you can pull a little trailer or boat with this if you wanted. And the reverse camera is right up in the middle. These doors will go all the way around and they won't hit. So on both sides, those doors will go all the way around. And when Sherrod got this, they added some kicker speakers here. So this bench will move forward and back. How you lay it down into a little bed. So like I said, you probably can't sleep an adult on there, but it's nice. Also, if you just need it for storage, you can lay that down flat if you got something big you need to put in here. And you can take all 4 of those chairs out too if need be. Now, if you have any questions on this van, the first comment below the video is a link to its listing. It'll have the VIN, pricing, probably 3 dozen photos of it. And we've also got a link to my personal info, Chad the Van Man. Here's the inside. Walk around and show you the front. It's all silver. And this has the 360 cameras on it. So you got cameras on the mirrors, and there's a camera right up here in the front too. Manual seats. So this lever here will raise and lower the front of the seat, and this lever here will raise and lower the back of it. This knob here will recline the chair, and then that knob is lumbar, and does have heated seats for the driver and passenger. Here you got power windows, power locks, a power fold on the mirrors, and then this does have power adjustable mirrors too, which not all these ProMasters have these because they do start off as commercial vehicles, but this one actually allows you to even adjust the blind spot. And that would be the regular mirror, and then that's for the passenger side. Got an electric parking brake, Bluetooth controls, cruise controls. This does have a select shift transmission, so you can take it over here in the drive, push it over, and then you can see those little numbers there. You can manually change the gears if you feel like getting squirrely in this thing. I don't know why anyone would want to do that, but here's reverse. This is the 360 camera I was telling you about. So you got this top-down view. You can see all 4 sides, and then you can flip in between the different camera angles if you want. This does have the Uconnect 5. This is a 10.1 inch display screen, very high resolution. You can see it looks great. Home screen. This does have Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and we've got navigation here provided by TomTom. This is climate control for the front, and then I showed you the rear. That's separate, the AC and heat back there. This is a wireless phone charger. You just stick your phone in there and charge it up. And here is the key fob. So we've got remote start built right into it, lock and unlock. This unlocks the front door, this unlocks the side door and the rear door, and then that locks all of them up. So again, we are Sherry Vans in Piqua, Ohio. I'm Chad the Van Man. If you have any questions on this van or any of these other vans I've got out here, first comment below the video is linked to my personal info. Please click like and subscribe. Thanks, folks.